Alright, so as you can see, we kind of rigged together Fago bottle as our gas return. Lines in there pretty good. Should do well enough to collect our gas. And then we put that up there. I took the cover off. We're rolling. It seems pretty good. The only thing that sucks is, oh, well, as soon as I roll the wheel, instantly losing air. Until you put pressure on it. We're at the mercy of this wheel, basically. We're at the mercy of however long that wheel wants to hold air. We can fuck around and do some actual test rips. Some speed runs, but we also don't have anything to legitly set up the throttle currently. I don't have anything to tighten the linkage. This is really just a test run too, to make sure that this even works, because this ball is a little bit too big, but it fits in there and it pulls it. So I have that set up now more professionally. It was kind of in there ghetto just to see if it would pull it, and it does. So we're gonna go ahead, try to set that up and go for a rip. All right, so we are all hooked up. We have our throttle ran. It's a little ghetto, but worst case, we just pull it by our hand. All right, so we really don't have long. Let's hope she just likes to start. Alright, I don't think the throttle is going to work like that. We're going to have to just hand throttle it, which is okay. Probably a little bit safer. Alright, let's try this now. No. Start, you turd. Alright, I got it to start. It kind of wants to just rip away from me. So let's see if we can get it to start again, and if we can get to sit long enough for me to get in it, to drive it. Just push this into here. Get this not as ghetto, hopefully. Alright, that's pushed all the way in. The throttle, the throttle's pushed all the way in, that is. We re-angled our Fago. Hopefully it does not too dark. I adjusted the ISO so it should be a little brighter. Everything should be tight, like it said so. Why? Dude, what is the problem? Alright, so it's the next day, and I just pulled it, and it just started first pull without the throttle cable in there. So we're gonna just, I don't know, set the camera somewhere. I'm gonna put this in here, and then we're gonna try to start it again. So the results might be, this cable might not be the answer. This cable might be a problem. Okay, it's not pulled up, nothing. No pressure, nothing. Oh, wait, probably turn that on. All right. I think it might be this cable, man. So, I mean, clearly it runs. maybe we should let it warm up for a second. Hello, Rebel. Maybe we should let it warm up for a second and then try to put that throttle cable back in and see if it'll start. I don't know. Whatever, we'll be back in a minute. All right. Oh, she's a turkey. All right. It's gonna be weird to remember. This is literally are so fucked, they do nothing. Holy shit. I'll say it's a little bit, I feel like more reserved than the oh god, I gotta figure out a better method for this. I have something I can use to connect this a little bit right here, but like I'm surprised this tire has held air since last night. That's cool. And we just ripped around on it. The exhaust is smoking. The belt looks to be in fine condition. The chain is good. I didn't hear anything crazy back there. Realistically, now I need to just line this underneath the seat to like right here or something. And then from here, we're gonna take this apart and we'll latch the two wires together. Bada boom, bada bing. Hopefully y'all can see what I'm talking about, like right here. So right here, I'm probably gonna cut that, and then I'll cut that, or probably like underneath this little junction, just so it's like underneath something. And then we'll zipper zapper it to there, like that. And then this will be our throttle. Yeah, I put the seat back further. I thought it was all the way back, but I went to this side, and I just banged it the other day, and we got a lot more legroom than I had initially while we were on this bad Jesse. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, I guess the throttle cable works, the cart works, it rips, it's pretty fun. I gotta figure out the air intake situation now, because that was just no intake. I don't know, man. I like it a lot. It's a good time. But holy crap. That will probably do it for this video. Hopefully you all enjoyed. If you did, please like, share, comment, subscribe. We got a ghetto gas return, and we got our gas tank. This worked pretty well. This was chilling. This didn't bother me. This seems to be okay. For what it is, I mean, probably go about getting a different bottle, or maybe zip tying this right here. Looks like it's dripping a little bit, but yeah. Hope you all enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Oh, she's a turkey.